Hi, my name's Stephanie Sanchez, and I teach at Tesoro High School in Los Flores, California. And today I'm going to show you how to use a program called Thinglink to help your students analyze literary devices in a passage from Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Okay, so once in Thinglink, you're going to want to create or hit the Create button. And then click this Choose Images or drag and drop here. And when I do that, it is going to allow me to select a file from my computer. So I'm going to choose this one here, and what I've already done is taken a screenshot of the passage that I want to work with. And there it is. Okay, so in this passage there are a few things that I want my students to look for. And the first example I'm going to use is this first line, violent delights have violent ends, to give them an example of foreshadowing. So I'm going to click here, just near this example where I want to place the tag, and it's going to make this button here, and you can go to the icon menu and choose any kind of button that you would like. And I'm going to place here what I want to link that button to, and in this case I have created an explanation of foreshadowing in a Google document. So I'm just going to label this tag foreshadowing. Click Save Tag, click Save, and then you can see what the end product will look like. If you hover over the button, it's going to take you to the link that I just created. Explanation on foreshadowing, the example, again the explanation, and then a bit of a task for them to complete. Okay, so I want to go ahead and continue adding tags, so I'm going to click the edit button, so it'll take us back into that mode. And this time I want to talk about the sweetest honey line, so I'm just going to click next to it, and again it'll add the tag, and I'm going to paste the link that I want to use here, and this time I'm talking about metaphor. And I have linked this one to a Powtoon video on metaphor, just a quick explanation. So I'm going to click Save Tag, Save Again, and now I can go over to this particular tag and show my students what I have linked there. And you'll get this in a little preview window, or you can go ahead and go full screen. Okay, so in the next link, I want to go ahead and talk about illusions. I'm going to go back into the editing mode. And the illusion that I want to talk about has to do with this first line again. So I'm going to put another tag here next to it. And I'm going to go ahead and paste the link that I'm going to use. Title this one Illusion. Save the tag. Save again. And then I can hover over this button and take my students to the explanation that I have. In this case, I've linked it to a YouTube video.
These violent delights have violent ends, and in their triumph die, like fire and powder, which as they kiss, consume. We built a tall.
Okay, so you can get an idea of how you can incorporate a YouTube video. Now you'll notice that in this example, I went ahead and edited the clip to explain a little bit about illusion and to give them a task of finding other illusions in popular culture. And the way that I added in this bubble was in YouTube Video Editor. So you can create any kind of writing on top of a video clip and give your students specific instructions that way. And so once you are done with your completed piece, you can go ahead and copy the link up here and send it to your students so they can watch it at home. You can also email it this way using the share button. And one thing that I really like about it is you can send it to them and then they can create their own at home and then email it right back to you, so you don't have to worry about them bringing in flash drives or anything like that. They can just send you the link to their finished product. Thank you.